Sable, Aboit, Roanoke, 9 Mile, Harlan, Hessen Castle, Zulu, Maples, Cuba, Bend, Tillman, Rolling Hills, and Townley. This includes the following highways.
Dude, I'm recording now.
Between mile marker 0 and 4, and between mile
Wow, are
markers
you
7
just
and
a
30.
little thing of copyright?
Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 295
His
and
name is
315.
Nolan.
They already know that.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Dude, they already know my
This storm
last
is
name.
producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a
Dude,
sturdy structure and stay
my
away
original
from windows.
YouTube name was my full
A
name.
severe thunderstorm
Without my
warning
middle
has been
name.
issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Allen, Huntington, and Whitley. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXM 98 in Marion, Indiana. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. This is a special weather statement. Radio, commercial
Tornado
radio
watch,
and television
everyone.
outlets, or internet sources
No.
for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA All Hazard 49.
The power just went out, guys.
Standard Time Wednesday.
This is the...
Following counties.
I would be cursing my face off right now if I was old enough.
Madison and Randolph.
But this is the least expected power outage I've ever had. Just the Insider 6. It's like dumping down rain right now. Is this PBS? We don't know.
While severe weather may not be imminent,
See? We have no power.
rapidly changing weather
This
conditions
is literally all this PBS hope is talking
and
about.
possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA
This is about an hour off.
television outlets
This is the closest I've had.
for the latest severe
You know, be coincidental if as soon as the watch EAS ended, the power flipped back on. 3, 2, 1.
NOAA All Hazard.
Let's go to Miss.
Van Buren, Monroe, Middletown, Sims, Warren, and Lancaster. This includes the following highways. Interstate 469 between mile markers. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 262 and 295. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a city structure.
I wish I could, but the power's kinda out right now.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45
Speaking of which, the power should be restored by now.